Hello, this is Dr. Adam Kopsky from Advanced Rehab and Medical, and this is our second week of the two-part series on runner's knee. And so if you didn't get a chance to check the video last week on runner's knee, I described what it is and how you actually get it, and what the problem is if you let that go and what it can run into. What I did go over was one tip, and that was rest and ice. And so that's one thing you can do at home. The other thing I'm going to go in today is one additional tip and one effective exercise that can really help strengthen the knee musculature and decrease pain. So I'm going to demo that right now, and this can be one thing that can really help you get over the edge. So what we call this is sustained quadriceps. And so what you want to do is take your affected knee up, and the very simple thing about this is you can do it anywhere in your house. If you have a couch or a bed, watching TV, you can just prop your leg up, and all you're going to do is contract your quad. And so what I mean by contract is just squeeze your quad muscle right here, or you can imagine as pushing your kneecap down into the couch or bed or whatever you're laying on. And so you want to make sure to not go at 100% strength here. Go about 50 to 75% max contraction, and hold that for about 45 seconds. And so what that'll do is when you contract that, it's isometric and it's not moving. It's very effective in strengthening the muscles around the knee to just give you some relief there. What you want to try to aim to do is you may have to work up to it, and by all means, if it causes pain, do not go at what I'm recommending, back it down. But ideally, try to do one set of 5 reps twice a day. And so if you get up in the morning, do that then, do your 5 reps of 5 holds of 45 seconds, and then do it again in the evening. If that's too painful, back it down. We don't want you in pain because that could exacerbate things, but just work up to it. The other thing you can do is you can actually, if you have a pillow around, you can actually prop a pillow up under your knee and then do the same thing to just really feel that contraction go in. So I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, please comment below this video, and we'd love to hear feedback, or if there's anything, if you're struggling, please comment and we'll get back to you. Have a great week.